From the third honors of the fourth year Macedonia, Alvin Paolo D. Pala to give his thank you message.
A pleasant evening to everyone. Tonight is the night of all the nights for us, the senior students of this school year. So, before we proceed to another chapter of our lives, in my batchmates' behalf, I would like to thank all the people behind our success. Our high school life is now over. Our four-year journey is about to reach its end after this significant ceremony. I'm very sad to say that the fourth year Macedonia batch 2008 has to say goodbye to our alma mater, Village Montessori School. We really had a great and memorable years of stay here. We enjoyed the moments with our fellow students and of course with our very good teachers. Unfortunately, we must accept the fact that everything has its end. But I assure that our ending will be a happier one for all of us. We will truly miss the times we were together here in our school. In our college years, there will be no praise and worship every morning, no 20-minute recess time, no more 30-minute lunch break, no more Ate Cynthia's fried chicken every day, no Tropicana with lots of ice anymore, no more gala uniform to be worn every Monday, there will be no printing of class t-shirts anymore, no more young and talented teachers, no more saying of, Breezy, pahinat ng polvo. No more, Ma'am, sir lang po, dialogue and a whole lot of no more. But the thing we will be missing the most is no more singing in the morning of Jesus is in me and Jesus is in you. Jesus is in us for He loves us. Well, well, I guess we will just sing it all by ourselves from now on. As I've said, we will not be as successful as we are without the people behind us. At this point of time, I would like to acknowledge and say thank you to all of them. To our beloved founder and president, Madam Zenaida Buenaventura Lizardo, with her innovative daughter, Ma'am Marilarda Lizardo Wai, and son-in-law, Pastor Armando Wai, thank you for your immeasurable trust to us. We really appreciate it very much. To all the administrative officials of this institute, especially to Ma'am Lani F. Lopez, our principal who became very close to our hearts, starting from the division schools press conference and regional schools press conference up to now, and Ma'am Claire Florentino who made her promise to be with us tonight. We sincerely thank you for your warm concern to the Macedonians of this year. God bless all of you. I would also like to thank all the staff and faculty members of Village Montessori School for being there to offer your help willingly. I also want to extend our meaningful thank yous to all the teachers who became very important persons in our lives all throughout of our stay here. To acknowledge them, they are Ma'am Noemi Santiago, our English teacher, Ma'am Edna Garcia, who is our physics teacher, Ma'am Melody Avergas, who is our Muppet teacher, Ma'am Maricel Delara, who is our values teacher, Sir Marley Castro, who is our computer teacher, Ma'am Julie Noza, who is our school paper advisor, our grandmother-like teacher, Ma'am Emily Olanga, and most, our TLE and Filipino teacher who is very kind to us, Ma'am Reggie Malgabo, and most of all, our ever-loving math and economics teacher, our class advisor, none other than Ma'am Ameline De Guzman, who really inspires our class like what she does to herself and helps us through her prayers. Their guidance and love are highly valued. To our used-to-be teachers like Ma'am Ana Garcia, Ma'am Melanie Ocampo, Sir Junil Constantino, Ma'am Army Dayaw, Ma'am Joya, Sir Mel Abelardo, and Sir Michael Torres, thank you. Your help is also part of our success. I'm also proud to thank our friends from other year levels whom we had enjoyable hangouts with. Your memories will be kept in our hearts. To our very caring and loving parents who are God's instrument to bring us here, thank you very much. We love you and God knows how thankful we are to be with you to complete our home and family. Of course, I want to thank my fellow Macedonians whom I treasure as my real brothers and sisters. You know how much you mean to me. I love our batch and I know that we are the best. Even if we cannot see each other every day, you're always in my heart. We may meet new friends in college, but I wish that they will not replace how much we love each other. Solid tayo, di ba? Always remember that success is a journey and not a destination. Strive hard to achieve all our dreams. And if it so happens, I hope we will celebrate it all together. I pray for God's guidance to be with us all the time. He will never leave us nor forsake us. Let's trust Him. Dear Macedonians, my friends, thank you for the memories. Thank you for the precious memories. As we go on, we remember all the times we had together. And as our lives change, come whatever, we will still be
friends forever!
Yes, we will still be friends forever. Lastly, above all else, we give our deepest gratitude to our Lord Almighty. He is the one who is responsible for all of this. He deserves to receive the best thank you because without Him, there will be no 4th year Macedonia Batch 2008 in this world. May God continue to bless us all and with them.